Ka Voice of the People Party, ka Badairu, ka Parti, ka Barang Tamasyan, ka Balayok, man Sensyar Marway, hak HDC, da ka Penyok, Kanyo Seat, ka Panpao, Bakadai, ka Parti, ka Pamikmat, Namta ka Jala, Mekria, Barok Away. Upresiden Barang Badu, Jongka VP, Habayakren, Berkatulong Kubor, Ulapan Tip, Baka VP, Pynieng Tik, Tang Yakaway, ka Jaipen Rio, Handai kan Peit-Beit, Namta ka Jingpha, ka Jala, Barok Away. Upresiden Rang Badu, ka Parti VP, Ulapan Pau, Peit-Ba, Baka Parti VP, Kanya Konru, na Garo Hills, Hakane ka election MLA, ka Bansawan, Hau Arjar Apupra, Hakatu ka Neki constituency.
The Voice of the People Party, which won 17 seats in a landslide victory in the recently held Garo Hills Autonomous District Council polls in Meghalaya, has asserted that it is a party that represents the entire state. VPP President Ardent Basayo Moit said that his party is not community or region specific. The VPP chief also revealed that the party's plans to contest select seats in Garo Hills in the 2028 assembly elections.
Katkum kani ka Karwa Kubor, Presiden Rambadu, Jongka Parti VP, Ulapan Pau, Baka Parti VP, Kanya Kun, Haki election ba pair Jong Jela, Klaim Nasyania Tilimon, Hakabor, Jongka Pisa. Bat Namar ka Jingduna, Haki Wei Kibanta, Kanamla Man Penyolut, Barok ki Kyrtong, Hambarok ka Jela, Kapamud, Hambarok ki Constituency, Jongka Garo Hills.
We are, diving into politics without depending much on money power and without the use of money power. And since our resources is very limited, we cannot organize the party in one go throughout the state.
Ndray ka parti kala nang nyo ban prat kilat kilanti pat ngisokmen bang yoi bagi Garo Hills kelastang manok man siem syakane ka parti. Bat kila Pynieng hiru ban join syakane ka parti bat ban bersnok tilang bat ngi ban penpeklan yakane ka parti.
But we are gradually making inroads in Garo Hills, and we are also happy to get the feedback, the response from the Garo people that they are willing to join to strengthen the party.
Te susu ipa aden ilaong bat ngi kum ka parti ngin persyang ban mesut ban poi sabarok ki kendong kinslot jong kariro menggaro. Kuman cuman yang baka parti VP kamdai tang jong ka wei ka jai ban riu tane jong kano ka jaka handre ka de ka parti jong ka jala barok ka wei. Bat kuman cuman kan mau baka ne ka parti ka adat ban register kum ka parti jong ka jala ne ka state regional party. Tengi ru ngilayu i bagi pai ba kasi kila Pynieng ya kane parti nadu rilom jantia rilom boy rilom war maram kum tarter te kum juru ki Garo kin Pynieng ya kane kar kom perkhat ka VP hari lom Garo kumbang yu i menta bagi kwa sisa ya kata ka jingkela.
So we will definitely try to reach gradually to every nook and corner of the state. As we have said, the Voice of the People Party is not a party, of a particular community or for a particular region. It is a state regional party. It has been registered and recognized as a state regional party. So we will work hard. The entire Khasi Jaintia region have accepted this principle of clean politics.
Ipa adan iong ba kumpa kipai ba karikasi kila Pynieng ya kane ka parti karo kum perkhat jong kane ka parti hakaju or komru ki Garo ki Pynieng ya kane karo kom perkhat jong ka VP ha Garo Hills kumbang lai i menta baki la kwa sisa ya ka jingkala. Tingi ongru ya kipai ba Garo la pik kwa sisa hadu kata bat pikrang sisa hadu kata ya ka jingkala pide ban wengno ya ka jing perkhat ka barem man kentat ya kani ka jimperan kam ya ka bor pisah ka bor election.
So the same is the case with Garo Hills. In Garo Hills also people now they want change. And we have been discussing that if you really want change, you need to get rid of this politic which has been used by money power or by any kind of steps to lure the people.
Ibaadan syusyuro ilaong bagi pajba karo kiliban kiar ru nagi politics kabaki nong sim kabu kisim ban penbiet daki buat ki bahar kom kajing kular ban aika mai jam kajing sam ki blanket buat kajing sam ru ya ki we ki jenon kam tang ki por election kumjuru ya jing sam ki skim tang shwa election bat shibun ki we ki kom penbiet pajba ban yo ya kajing job Andre anda kila japat kila jano jelam klena pen iwat tangi kidur kidar jongki syaki pajba.
Can we expect by 2028 the party has established its base in Garo Hills?
If not, but definitely we are going to make our presence felt in few of the districts in Garo Hills.
Habalak keli tak kurwo Northeast Life hatu ka VP kanyo neem kalat banbu kitnat kibahe hari rum Garo hau arhajar arpupra. Iba adan ilaong kumni tak bajebab ilaong ba ladang ngimyo ru nrengin persang ban bensawa hakatu katni ki distrik jong ka Garo Hills. Kumban chupan kan mau baka party Voice of the People Party kalala ban penpoi ban bensawa lade sa Garo Hills hakini ki snem bat ki panai ki baladap. Ka parti kelala ban besut syakirang ba ki badan sisa kajing ki kli yala kajai penriu kung kinang ilam niam bat ki wei ki rang ba ki badan sisa kajing ki kli namanta ka Garo Hills. Kini kirang ba kila pedang ya ka parti da kajing kemen menyetrelang bat ban penklan no ya kani ka parti WP ha Garo Hills. Syuk-syuk ka parti men kani kadang sudah pesan menyetrelang bat kinong tau jirwai ka Garo Hills mempenmi ya ka jirwai pra ha ka ketien Garo kum sibanta ban promote ya ka parti bat ru ban penklan ya kani ka parti bat penyok sibun kinong kersan an pen iru ka clips lani ki videos ki balingkot pa pen i bagi pa karo ki kersan ya ka parti WP
अरे बहुत अच्छा है और एक बार और 3 बार आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और मिथिला सबके लिए पेड़ भी सुनेंगे और मिट्टी भी हिलेंगे पूरा ठीक है अभी अशोक आया ठीक है अभी पूरा एक आवाज से पूरा हला करेगा जोर से आवाज मिलेगा ये सब मिट्टी भी हिलेगा बहुत अच्छा है फिर सबसे जोरी आवाज बहुत अच्छा आवाज और ये सब फिर होता है फिर और 3 बार सबको धन्यवाद और सबको मिथिला और ये हम दुआ करता